Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
So, our present situation is that the whole civilization is going on under the wrong impression that everyone is the body. That is not a fact. Therefore, this Krishna Kirtan, this Hare Krishna movement, it has got a special effect. It is, don't think this Hare Krishna movement is ordinary sound vibration. It is spiritual vibration. It is called Mahamantra. Mahamantra. Just like, I do not know in your country whether the snake chanters in India, still there are many snake chanters, enchanters, I am sorry. So, they chant some mantra, and a man, a snake bitten, can be revived to his consciousness. Anyone, Indians present here, they know. Still, especially I have seen in Punjab, there are many snake enchanters who know how to chant the mantra. See, if it is physically possible that a dead man, of course, when a man is bitten by a snake, he is not dead. He becomes unconscious. He is not dead. But by this chanting of mantra, he comes to his consciousness. Therefore, it is the system in India. If a man is bitten by a snake, he is not burnt or he is not taken as dead body. He is floated in some light boat and given to the water. If he gets chance, he may come out again to consciousness. So similarly, we are at the present moment, due to our ignorance, we are sleeping. We are sleeping. Therefore, to awaken us, this mantra, Maha Mantra is required. To awaken. To Cheta Darpana Madhyama, just like these boys, these European boys and girls who are along with me, I have got about more than 3,000-4,000 disciples like that. They are chanting Hare Krishna, and not that whimsically they are chanting. They are fully convinced. If you talk with them, they talk very nicely on philosophy, everything, as a sane man. So how they are doing? 4 years ago, they did not know what is the name of Krishna. Perhaps they might have seen in the English dictionary the name of Krishna as stated a Hindu god. But actually that is not the fact. Krishna is the name of God. Krishna means they all attract, all good. All attractive means he must be good, otherwise how he can be attracted? A bad, someone who is bad, he cannot be attracted. Therefore Krishna, this very word means all attract. He has got all the good qualities, all the opulences, so that he is attracted. That is the right description of a right nomenclature of God. If God has got any name particular which is full in everything, that word is Krishna. It is a Sanskrit word, but it indicates Krishna means God. In the Shastra it is said, Ishara Parama Krishna. Ishara means controller, and Parama the supreme. Ishara Parama Krishna. That is the instruction of Vedic literature. So, this Krishna consciousness movement is not a sectarian, a religious movement. It is a scientific, philosophical movement. Try to understand. But the process is very simple. The process is by chanting this Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare. So, we are not magicians, but we ask our students simply to chant this transcendental vibration, and he becomes gradually cleansed of all dirty things within the heart. This is our process. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has explained, he has given us the instruction, Cheta Darpana Marjanam. Our whole travel in this material world is due to misunderstanding. The first misunderstanding is that I am this body. And actually every one of us, we are standing on this platform, the bodily concept of life. And because the basic standing foundation is mistaken, therefore whatever you are creating, whatever you are understanding, they are all mistakes. Because the basic platform is mistake. But first of all, we have to drive away this mistaken idea that I am this body. That is called Cheta Darpana Marjanam, cleansing the heart. I am thinking I am this body, but actually I am not this. So we have to cleanse these misconceptions, and that is very easily done by simply chanting this Hare Krishna Mahamantra. It is practical. So our request is that every one of you, if you kindly take our instruction to chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra, you are not losing anything, but the gain is very much. We are not charging you anything. Just like others, if you give some mantra, they will charge, but we are freely distributing. Everyone can take. Even the children, they can take. There are many children in our society. They chant and dance. It does not require any education. It does not require any prize. Simply, if you chant, why do not make an experiment and see by chanting? That is our request. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare. One may object, why shall I chant your Hindu Krishna's name? So, we don't say that Krishna or God has got many names that he has made. It is not. God is unlimited. Therefore, he must have unlimited names. But this Krishna word is very perfect because it means all attract. You can describe God is great. That's all right. How is great? That is another understanding. So, if you think that Krishna is the name of Hindu God, why shall I chant this? So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says, no. If you have got a name, another alternative name of God, then you chant. Our only request is that you chant the holy name of God. If you have got any name for God, you can chant. You will be purified. That is our proposal.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama.